Hi guys, this is Herman Chan again from Golden Gate Sotheby's, introducing my new listing at 6759 Skyview in the glorious Oakland Hills. Now my listing is over 3,100 square feet, 3 bedrooms plus a bonus loft media area, 2-car parking, built in 2019, so practically new construction. And most importantly, it has the most stupendous bay views that you will see ever. Follow me in. Did you enjoy those views? I know I did. Well, call me anytime for a tour of one of the first resale properties out of the Skyview Estates in the prestigious Oakland Hills. Call me anytime. Bye.